So, good day everyone. This is CE Solves and ito naman yung next problem natin about exact equation. So, ang una natin gagawin is as usual, solve natin siya para ma-prove natin yung exactness. Kung exact ba yung dalawang lines ay yung differential equation. So, identify natin yung m and n natin, which is ito yung m kasi siya yung katabi ng dx at ito yung n kasi siya yung katabi ng dy. So, yan. Gawin natin, magiging dm over dy, meaning differentiate natin yung m in terms of y. So, magiging siyang 2, sulat muna natin tuloy. So, d over dy, y squared, sulat natin yung m, minus 2xy plus 6x. So, magiging siyang, in terms of y, so magiging itong 2y, minus, since in terms of y, 2x will be constant, so 2x, y, differentiation ng y is 1. So, wag na natin isulat. Plus 6x. 6x is a constant. So, differentiation of a constant is, 0. So, next natin is yung dn in terms of x. So, differentiate natin yung n in terms of x. So, magiging siyang d over dx. Tapos, distribute natin tong negative dito sa, sa n natin. So, magiging siyang negative x squared plus 2xy minus 2. So, differentiate natin siya in terms of x, magiging negative 2x. Tapos, differentiate natin to. Magiging siyang, since y is a constant here, since differentiating in terms of x, so copy natin, magiging 2y. Tapos, ito, constant din siya, so magiging 0. So, yan. Since this can be rearranged as 2y minus 2x. Therefore, dm over dy is equal to dn over dx. Kasi pareha sila 2y minus 2x. Therefore, this equation is exact. So, ngayon na nalaman natin na exact na siya, we can proceed to procedures na masasolve natin siya. Dahil exact equation sila. So, identify natin, df over dx is equal to m, which is ito, equal to m, and df over dy is equal to n, which is ito. So, pili tayo sa dalawa, sa either m or n, kung anong mas madali. So, piliin na lang natin to. So, integrate natin siya. So, maging df is equal to m, which is the quantity, y squared minus 2xy plus 6x, times dx. So, integrate natin both sides. Magiging f is equal to, since y squared is a constant, magiging y squared x minus 2y is constant. So, copy natin, labas natin. Tapos, ang x na lang, integrate natin. Magiging x squared over 2 plus 6x squared over 2 plus t of y. So, simplify natin siya. Makakancel tong 2 dito, dito. Tapos, magiging na siyang y squared x minus x squared y plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3x squared plus t of y. So, ngayon, differentiate na natin yung f in terms of of y. Kasi, para ma-equate natin siya sa df over dy. So, gawin natin df over dy, differentiate natin to in terms of y, magiging x is a constant, so copy natin. Tapos, differentiation nito is 2y minus x is a constant, copy natin, x squared. Differentiation ng y is 1, so wag natin sulat, plus 3x squared. Since it is a constant, nagde-differentiate tayo in terms of y, magiging na tong 0. So, 0 plus t of d prime y. So, since nakuha na natin yung df over dy, pwede na natin siyang equate dito sa n natin. So, copy natin to. Distribute lang natin yung negative natin. So, magiging negative x squared plus 2xy minus 2 is equal to yung nasolve natin, 2xy minus x squared plus t prime y. So, magiging na siyang, since 2xy minus 2xy, kasi magkaibang side sila, so, cancel na to, magiging 0, and negative x squared minus negative x squared is 0 din. So, t prime of y will be negative 2. So, para makuha natin yung t prime of y, integrate natin both sides in terms of y. So, magiging siyang t of y is equal to 2y. So, nahanap na natin yung, negative pala to. So, negative 2y. So, nahanap na natin yung t of y natin. Therefore, substitute natin siya dito sa f function natin para mahanap natin yung final answer. Note lang natin na yung f natin, papalitan natin siya as c. Tapos, yung t of y is palitan na natin siya dito. So, magiging xy squared minus x squared y plus 3x squared minus plus ty or negative 2y is equal to f or c. So, yan na yung final answer natin.